Hey, what's going on, everybody? Last time I was with y'all, I was practicing my second gear and third gear stand-ups. And at the end of that practice session, I actually ended up blowing my fork seals. So in the time since then, worked on the bike and actually got these forks removed and replaced the seals myself for the first time. So we're going to be heading out today and just going to see what we can get done here. It's about 60 degrees and it's supposed to have snow tomorrow, so this is a little bit out of season for now, I guess. But I just couldn't help myself. I had to get out once I got those fork seals replaced. Wasn't too bad. I kind of steered that one. Really got to work on that throttle control. And thank goodness I have a steering damper, because when I brought that down, she was a little shaky. Alright, there's a fire hydrant way in the distance there. I'm going to see if I can make it all the way to it. Very smooth, but mission accomplished, I guess. That's why I always love to have the GoPro on. Half the time it isn't working. That was a freaking blast, man. On that on-ramp, I really felt that getting past the balance point and slowing down, I could feel the bike slowing down. So that shows promise, at least. I'm getting a little better, but I wasn't able to really hold that together. It kind of got pretty sloppy. That was nuts. Alright, It's probably time for me to get off these roads. It's been a pretty good ride. Newsflash, that was first gear. Pretty good. Once I got my knees like on the tank, it's much easier to kind of stabilize yourself. I had a Corvette behind me and he backed off hard. Probably did not expect to see that. When I try to lean the bike, I really got to get over on it though. It's crazy. Felt really good. I was kind of steering that one. But we'll probably turn around here and call it a day. It's been awfully fun. I put my visor down, my eyes are watering so bad. Woo. Visor down, holy smokes. I got dry eyes like a mofo. Well, I'm gonna call it a day. I've been really pushing my luck and it's been rewarding, so we're not gonna go too far. Thanks for watching if you guys are still here, and peace.